Gravure printing is a form of printing where images are engraved in reverse onto copper-coated steel cylinders before being transferred under pressure onto the printing material. Gravure cylinder engravers are responsible to set up, operate and maintain the equipment that make the mirror image engravings for each color required to make up the final image. Image layouts or publication impositions for each cylinder are carefully planned by electronic pre-press technicians to maximize the use of costly cylinders. Images may be stepped and repeated in rows along the width of the cylinder in either horizontal or vertical positions for packaging work. For magazine or book publications, the layout can cover imposition schemes for full publications or sections of up to 96 pages. Understanding the pre-press and press processes are critical for engravers to fully interpret their own work tickets, which provide the instructions for each new job. Work tickets give them information on the size and number of cylinders they need to load onto the engraving machinery. They also provide access to the image files for each cylinder to be engraved. Engravers work out the start point of each image and in loading the cylinder ensure that it is centered and that the engraving machine is zeroed on the starting point. The other part of the setup for a new job requires the engraver to calibrate the machine's engraving heads. Because printing materials have different reactions to ink, the cell sizes needed to create different dot sizes varies. Engravers create, examine, and calculate the volume of test cells engraved outside of what will become the printing area. Based on the findings, they make micro adjustments to the intensity and impulse of the engraving heads. Once they are happy with the position and calibration, they prepare the cylinder for engraving by making sure that it is perfectly clean and adding a thin layer of cutting oil to the surface. This process also extends the life of the cutting diamonds used to do the engraving. At the end of the image engraving process, engravers again do quality checks on the cell sizes. Once they are satisfied that the quality is perfect, they send the engraved cylinders for chrome plating. Changing the diamonds on the cutting heads is an important part of the maintenance aspect of this job. Precision and strict adherence to procedure is necessary to get all cutting heads precisely aligned in respect of both height and spacing. Other maintenance tasks include general cleaning and lubricating. This job, which falls under the guidance and supervision of a Gravure cylinder preparation technician, straddles the pre-press and press departments and provides the opportunity for technical work in the press industry that is away from the noise of the press production floor.